Oh, it doesn't give me a countdown anymore?
What? So I've just been standing like this?
Well, anyway, you're live.
3, count me in.
Okay, 3.
Hey friends, this is DannyZ from the DannyZ, I'm freezing. DannyZ Storm Center report, sponsored by Gamberg's Furniture Inc. in Hatboro, Pennsylvania. It's been our trusty measuring tool ever since we started the Storm Center. So here we go, the official totals, even though it's still coming down, probably should end by about noonish.
Just an inch, right? That's all we're getting.
Yeah, just like a coating to an inch is what they said. You know, I wake up, I will
5,
go out.
what is it?
Here we go,
4?
ready? Drum roll.
Sorry.
1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 3.5 inches on our patio table.
Wow.
So that's the report for now for West Norton. At what, about 10:30?
Stacy's here, Cheryl's here, Jen Bear's here. Stacy says good morning, Saster.
Good morning, Stacy. Good morning,
Hi,
viewers.
Olivia.
Thanks for checking in. Good morning, friends. This is DannyZ for the DannyZ Storm Center, and with me, as always, is Vicky Z.
Hi, guys.
She looks like a Russian woman with her furry.
It's cold out here.
Let me show everybody your
No, do
outfit.
not show me. You are the star of the show. Let's go.
All right, so if you're just joining us again, our storm totals so far have reached about 3.25 inch. 3 inches.
3. I think it's right at 3, actually.
Right at 3.
I
All right,
think
well, let's go see the majesty of a winter's morn. We'll throw that over there. But some people kind of lose sight when it's snowing like this. Like they're all cuddled with their loved ones inside by the fireplace, but they forget about our chirping friends.
Our winter friends.
Our winter friends. They're out here in the cold. They've got no friends out here. But as I can say, as a self-proclaimed friend to animals, I'm here to help feed the birds. I found some old stale crusty crackers.
Can I pause for a few comments from folks?
Oh, sure.
Cheryl thinks that this is snow angel worthy snow.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe, okay.
Maybe.
And Melinda says, Nate's here getting tips on how to make a good video.
Hi, Nate. Hello again, viewers. If you're just tuning in, this is DannyZ for the DannyZ Storm Center report. We are reporting conditions in West Norton Township, where we've got about 3.5 inches, depending on your patio table. I hear plows.
Is that a plow?
No, that's our recycling.
Oh, they're going to recycle.
Yes, because our bin is overflowing. So here we are on a mission to feed our
But
feathered
why
friends
is it overflowing?
with Christmas packages.
No, because it was Christmas last week. They didn't pick up, and the week before we were away.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
So I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas and looking forward to a very happy New Year's Eve in 2018. So we're here out in our bird sanctuary where I'm going to now give the birds some old stale crackers we had. DannyZ, friend to animals. Look, you can hear them. They're hungry. They know I'm out here. They're all chirping.
They're like, we love him.
So,
Those are good crackers.
yeah, well, I tried one. They're not good anymore. So there's that. And then I have some stale bread brought to you by Arnold's. Love this stuff, though. If anybody from Arnold's Bread is watching, send us some coupons. I think you can still feed bread to birds.
But you said you can't give it to ducks?
I don't know. I thought I read on the internet somewhere. So just break up some bread. So you could do this at home. It's really easy. Just go into your bread area, find some bread or stale crackers, wherever you keep your stale crackers. Keep ours in the pantry. And,
We do have a bread drawer that
comment on this video where you keep your stale crackers.
and bread.
And bread. So it's snowing bread, so I'll take my trash. But something will eat this. So as we continue on,
All right.
this beautiful, blustery. It's not really good packing snow because it's so
real
cold.
Fluffy.
It's really fluffy. But no, that's not our recycle company, is it?
Oh no. So we're gonna
I think
have
it
a
is.
million
No, it's
recycles.
Allied. So shout out to those guys at Allied or Republic Services, or I think it's Republic Allied Services.
It's a lot of service.
It's a lot of services.
Wow, this is slippery snow.
Allied.
Because it's so cold, I think.
Yeah, so be careful out there. I heard 76 is closed from Gladwin to Conshohocken.
Oh jeez.
Big accident, so be
It's
safe
really
out there.
slick.
If
Like,
you're,
'cause- I don't know.
but we are definitely going to be safe, playing it safe. We're
Staying
just
home.
going to stay home, clean up, hang out with our moose friend. What do we call
I'm
him?
gonna talk about our new display.
Well, this is it because we kind of fell short. We went low-key Christmas. We didn't really do anything out front, but we decorated for ourselves in the backyard. So we put up the
Because
moose.
see, our window is here. And then we can look out and see our moose. Should I come around this side?
Sure.
I
And
know
see
that
all
there's
of the
a
new
step here.
additions. We have this.
I just made that.
And the snow is really neat too. Like it's like, looks like the Dippin' Dots ice cream.
Oh my gosh, look at that. You can like see every flake.
Every flake.
And like every little flake lands on each other.
Absolutely. So we have.
Bye, Olivia. Olivia's headed out. See ya.
Bye. Thanks
Steph is supposed
in.
to be driving soon. Oh, be careful, Steph.
Be careful if you're out on the roads. It's really, really slick because it was so cold that this stuff is just making it like an ice rink. So we have our new angel.
She's so lovely.
Our angel in the garden. She's got a nice little hat. Nice. Almost as good as mine. But, and the Piece de Resistance.
Woo!
A lovely wine tree created by talented metal worker?
Yeah.
Is that like
metal workers?
Metal workers? Alicia and Ian. Thank you guys for this lovely addition to our lovely, lovely backyard paradise. And oh look, it grew.
Oh.
It grew a bottle of bubbly. Thanks, guys. So we're going to enjoy something we found in the back of the fridge. Just trying to clean up for the new year. I think I bought this.
Leftover from summer.
This is a summer because we were into rosés.
Enjoy on ice.
Drink on ice because I'm so hot. So we're going to pop this bad boy open. I watched a video on the line that said not to take this thing off when you're popping corks. I don't know. And also not to pull the cork. You got to twist the bottle. So that's what we're doing. We knew that. So we're ready?
Ready.
I hope I don't blow the windows out in the neighbors.
There you go.
So here's the cork.
Cheers.
Cheers, friends. Oh, and look. It also has leaves of champagne flutes.
This is from the Drexel University Homecoming Crystal Ball, 1998. Good year.
Good year, good year. So as it says, to drink on ice, but we're going to do one better. We're going to drink with snow, right from the source. All right.
Oh, we didn't say hi to the moose while you're doing that.
Oh, he's under 21. He's not getting it. So here's some lovely rosé with some West Narton snow. Cheers to you watching at home.
Cheers.
Hope you have something warm in your cup. And my leaf is from
the Crystal Ball 2001.
2001.
Yeah,
all right.
Drexel University Crystal
Here
Ball.
Here we go.
Shout out to all of our
fellow dragons
alums out
Whoa.
There. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Extra bubbly.
Extra bubbles.
All
so
right.
maybe if you're lucky after this, I will do a snow angel.
Yeah.
So
how about a quick recap? So
again,
teach Nate about how at the end of a video you can recap.
Right.
What
Always
happened.
have to sign off. So take a little sip.
Where did your yardstick go? Okay.
Almost had an inch of snow. So again, for the DannyZ Storm Center report, DannyZ checking in with our official ruler, and we're going to give you the official snow count, or somewhat, during this mid-storm. Wow.
Oh, it's a 3 1/4 now.
3 1/4.
Yeah. Okay.
So let me know what your patio tables at home say. And there's the recycles.
Feed the birds.
Feed the birds. Take care of the birds. Enjoy. Have a safe and very happy New Year's Eve.
Where are you gonna
do this? By
this?
request.
You're gonna do it on the grass?
My signature DannyZ Snow Angel. Because you asked for it and you love it so much. This is DannyZ and Vicky Z reporting for the DannyZ Storm Center here in West Narton, Pennsylvania. West is best. Cheers. Did you see my stomach?
I didn't.
I felt like my shirt came up. I'm like, ooh, it's cold. It's cold on my front.
Now I see it.
Oh boy. Not safe for work. So there it is.
Nice job.
Yep. Oh, gotta write the halo.
There you go.
There you go. But I'm no angel. But thanks again for watching, friends. We love you. Mwah. Cheers. Have a great New Year and safe New Year's Eve. We love you all. See you in 2018.
Woohoo. How do I push in?